BabyBus.
Food truck is opening soon. Let's buy some ingredients at the supermarket first. We need to buy these ingredients. Let's find them together. Bought all the ingredients. We can open for business again. Hey! Great! Food truck, let's go! Have to equip the magical item. Welcome! What would you like to order? We'd like to get heart-shaped cotton candy. Now we have the customer's orders. Let's prepare the food. Let's make the cotton candy. What flavor of grape? Blueberry. Wow, it is so big! Let's decorate it! Wow, the sweet cotton candy is ready! I heard there's going to be a surfing event at the beach. Let's go there and sell things. Which one do you want to make? Great! Food truck, let's go! The barrier can only be lifted after completing the puzzle. Welcome! What would you like to order?
I'd like to have this.
Caramel popcorn.
I'd like to order
Juice. Now we have the customer's orders. Let's prepare the food. Let's make the popcorn first. Tap the button to turn on the stove. Pour the ingredient white sugar. Butter. Corn kernels. Stir it. ingredients are mixed well. Wow, the kernels are turning into popcorn. Crunchy popcorn is ready. You're great. Now let's make the juice. Slide to cut the fruit. Excellent. You've cut a lot of fruit. Press the button to start juicing. Lastly, let's add some toppings to the juice.